A very good morning, students. So today, children, let's quickly do the recap of lesson 7, Anil and the little puppy, and after that we will do the exercise. So take out page 30. The story is about Anil and his little puppy. Once, when Anil and his friends were playing in the park, they heard the bark of a dog. Then they start searching, where is it? So it was a puppy in the hedge, wounded badly. Anil brings the dog puppy at his home and with his father. Next day, they take him to the doctor. Which doctor? Animals doctor. They are called veterinarian. Doctor examines the puppy and gives ointment and medicine for the puppy. After few days, when puppy became all right, Anil's father told Anil to set the puppy free. Now, though Anil was sad, but still he take the puppy and left the puppy and came back, crying, and goes to sleep without eating anything. But the next day he saw the puppy in veranda in the basket. Anil was overjoyed. Later his father allows Anil to keep the puppy with him at home. This is how puppy became a pet and a good friend of Anil. So the moral is be good and do good. So this was the recap. Now come to the exercises. Okay children, so this is the worksheet of moral science. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. 1. Anil was a loving and kind boy. Who? Anil. So Anil dash. Number 2, we must be dash to animals. We must be kind. B exercise, true or false? The kitten came out of the hedge. This is a false statement. False. Number 2, Anil had many friends. So this is true. You will write true here. Now come to next page. This is page 2 children, and this is question number 2. Match the columns. Anil, column A, column B. Column A, Anil, pup, gardener, Sid. Anil, you have to take it to column B. Anil was a kind boy. You will kind here, number 1. Then pup. Where was the pup? In the hedge. 2. Hedge. Gardener. Gardener. Stick. With this stick, gardener he shoot the puppy na. Then Sid picked up a stone. So now come to B. Fill up the missing letters. Number 1. K dash and dash. So you have to fill IND. It becomes kind. Number 2. H dash R dash. HURT hurt. Then 3. A dash I dash A dash S. This is animals. ANIMALS. 4. LO dash I dash G. Loving. LOVING. 5th. F dash I dash N dash. This is friend. So you will write FRIEND. Next page, page 3. This is page 3 and question number 3. Take the things which we should do for animals and cross the one that we should not. A. We should kick them. No. Cross it. B. Feed them. Yes. Tick it. C. Help them. Yes. Tick it. D. Throw stones. No. Cross. E. Hit them with a stick. Not at all. Cross. Okay. Then F. Take them to the doctor if they are unwell. Yes. Take it. G. Tease them. No. Cross it. H. Show care. Yes. Take it. I. Give water to them. Yes. Take it. Then J. Scare them. No. Cross it. Now come to page 4. So this is for page 4 children, and question number 4. A. Take the right option. 1. Anil's father said, veterinarian is a dash word for you. It is a difficult word. Option A, difficult. B, easy. So you will going to take option A, difficult. 2. I will surely dash the puppy to the doctor. Okay. I will surely take, not take. I will take. Take is the correct answer. Option A, take it. Now come to B. Complete the boxes below. 1. Dash applied animal ointment on his wounds. Who applied? Doctor. So you have to identify the word and fill in the missing letters. 2. Short form of veterinarian. It is vet, V-E-T. Now come to page 5. So this is page 5, children. Question 5. Give one word answer. Question number 1. Where do Anil and his friends play? Answer, park. 2. What did Anil find one day? Answer, puppy. Question number 3. Now where did Anil's father take the puppy? Vet. Answer is vet. Question 4. How should we treat animals? Kindness. Now come to page 6. So children, this is page 6. This is the last page of your exercise. Question number 6. Answer these questions. 1. Where did Anil find the puppy? Anil found the puppy in the park. Question 2. Why was the puppy scared? The puppy was scared because he got hurt and was in pain. 3. What Anil's father tell him when puppy became all right? Answer, to set the puppy free. Question number 4. Did puppy go away from Anil? Answer, no. Puppy did not go away from Anil. Now the last question is question number 5. Draw and color a pet. You have to draw a pet, any pet it can be. Okay, it can be say fish, puppy, dog, cat. Okay, whichever you feel easy, you can draw. So now your lesson is finished. Do all the exercises. Okay, children. Now tomorrow again we're going to meet. Till then, take care and goodbye.